130 trillion pounds. Just imagine what you could do with that much money. What if I told you that that is the cost of gender inequality worldwide? This massive sum is accumulated by the gender pay gap, which is caused by stereotyping, fewer educational opportunities, and discrimination. This needs to change. Women make up around 51% of the global population. Yet they only contribute to 37% of the global economy, with this number lowering to 17% in some countries. The thing is, it's not just the economic cost. It's the human cost too. Fun fact without the fun, did you know that women were 47% more likely to suffer injuries during car crash accidents, simply because of the fact that car safety features are designed for men? Wow! In this day and age, did it not occur to car manufacturers that women are just as likely to be in a car as men? Thinking about these injuries makes me think of the damage that is done to women in society. But it also reminds me of the words of Frida Kahlo, a famous Mexican painter who is well known for her strong feminism and her iconic monobrow, whose birthday we celebrate this very day. She said, "Little by little, I'll be able to solve my problems." And she's right. Together we can all help heal the wound caused by sexism. Look, I'm not asking for you to join massive protests or tattoo the word feminist on your foreheads, but I am asking for change. And change starts with you. Whatever age, whatever gender, we can all do something. Those of you who are still at school, whenever you hear derogatory terminology where you see inequality, I challenge you to call it out. Don't stand for it. My fellow girls, just know that you can do whatever you set your mind to. And men, support your female companions. We can be your allies and walk side by side, not your slaves or opposition. I challenge you to support your women in all their hopes and dreams, so that little by little, we'll all be able to solve our problems.